Using a laser to cut is a very exciting process. You can see the precision of the laser here. This is actually real time, and I'm building a pen holder that is going to be in different layers. You see here I cut out of the one that I did already, but I want to show you in real time the amazing process by which lasers can cut through layers of wood or any other material, even in a small desktop model. This is going to be quite slow in our case because this laser is not extremely powerful, but if you can use a more powerful laser, this can be mere minutes. These are all the pieces we need for this project, and as you can see, once you cut them, you simply assemble them and glue them, and that's all you have to do. You can finish it if you want, but finishing is not a necessary process. The cutting process continues, as you can see here, and one by one all the pieces are cut off from the blank. Again, you can have them all cut one by one or all together. I chose to have them cut one by one. It is a matter of personal preference. What you see here is cutting in real time. And again, as I said, this is a very low power laser. We plan to upgrade it with a higher power module, but for now it's a fairly low process. So as you can see, even with a fairly inexpensive and not great power laser, you can do some cutting in fairly thick plywood. You can do a lot of things. You can make boxes, you can do a lot of interesting things with that. So this is only 1.5 watt laser. I have a new laser head, which is right there, that it's 5.5 watts, and I'm sure we'll be doing it much more faster, or faster, not more faster, and I will enjoy it greatly. And here is the assembled piece. A very simple project that can show you the potential of a laser engraver cutter.